How the deliciousness began. Nature Best Food Company Limited was established in 1998 and has continued to expand its business until moving its head office and factory to Bang Sao Thong District, Samut Prakan Province in 2010. We are the first importer and producer of seaweed for industry in Thailand, using advanced technology to meet global quality and safety that meet international standards before delivering savory taste to consumers. We also operate a seaweed distribution business to be a raw material in food industry factories, restaurants, hotels, and has been trusted by customers around the world in more than 20 countries. We contribute the first priority to product quality, from upstream to downstream, the first process until the hands of consumers. Our seaweed is 100% importing selected grade from certified and standardized seaweed farms. We then begin our careful selection process, performed by a team of food manufacturing experts to ensure raw ingredients full of freshness, hygiene, and safety. We are the first seaweed importer and producer for the food processing industry in Thailand, who is fully approved by SSSC 22000, HACCP, and GHP's food safety standards, as well as halal certification. To continue our thrilling success, we have introduced a new flavorful seaweed snack called Koriko, and also other excellent edibles from the oceans to our customers with love and care.